how to buy a Retard Finder token. So this token came under the symbol of RFC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token, and don't forget to check their community. As you can see, go and engage with it. They have 17,000 members there. So this token, it's available on MEXC. You can buy it from there. So how to do that? Now go and open your MEXC account and make sure to log into your account. If you don't have an account on MEXC, you can go down in the description and you will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and find your account with some USDT to be able to buy this token. Now what you need to do in the search bar, you can type the token name. It will be RFC, and after you find this pair, now click on it. Wait a few seconds to be able to load this page. Now click on buy, select the limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy of that token, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of the USDT on your account. Now click on buy RFC. If you select the market, you can drag this to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy RFC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.